Hi guys, welcome to EB3.work. My name is John Dorer, I'm the CEO, and I wanted to explain what we do, how you can get a green card job in the US, what types of employers will sponsor you, how long the process takes, and how much it costs. So the EB3 green card, EB3 is the third preference. If you go to our website, EB3.work, and click on Services or Applicants up here in the menu, there's a good overview of the process. EB stands for Employment-Based. 3 is the category, so that's how we get EB3. There are some great benefits to the EB3 program. Number one, it provides permanent residence to you, the applicant, and your direct dependent family members, spouse, and children under 21. With permanent residency, you can travel freely. There's no temporary visa requirement that you're under. So it's a great option if you're looking to immigrate to the US. So what are the steps in the EB3 green card process? The first step is to find an employer that will sponsor you, and that's where we can help. The second step is the employer files what's called the perm labor certification. So our team of immigration attorneys works with the employer, we work with you, but in the first step, the perm labor certification is where the employer advertises the job to US workers and shows that there are none or not enough available. And so it allows them to proceed to file a perm labor certification on your behalf, you being the applicant. The whole perm process takes between 6 and 12 months, depending on when you start the process. Our team prepares and files the perm labor certification. And then once that's approved, we go into step 2. Step 2 is the I-140 petition with USCIS. And in the I-140 petition, the employer is required to show by submitting their tax return that they have the ability to pay the offered wage. We always file premium processing for the I-140 stage, and what that means is we get the approval quickly. So within about 1 month, this compared to 6 or 7 months, which means that you get here faster, you get your green card faster. The employer gets you the worker that they need so badly faster. So once step 2, which is the I-140 petition, is approved, then we move on to the final step, step 3, and that's either adjustment of status if you're in the US, or the DS-260 if you're outside the US. Many applicants that we have are in H-2B or F-1 status, and it's nice because they can simply apply for adjustment of status, and they're in the US, their green card is approved. If you're outside the US, it's a different process, the same end result of getting the green card, but different process in that you go through the National Visa Center, NVC, and then an interview at a US embassy or consulate. Then you'll get a stamp in your passport, permanent residence stamp, come to the US, and your green card will arrive in the mail. If you're doing adjustment of status, there is usually not an interview process. And then once you start work, you agree to, you've agreed already to work for the employer for at least 1 year, hopefully longer. And the employer gets a great motivated worker in you, and it's a win-win situation. So some common jobs in the EB3 program are hospitality jobs, restaurant, server, dishwasher, host, hostess, construction jobs. Generally jobs that are entry level require minimal requirements, so minimal education such as high school diploma or none, or minimal experience required. The total processing time you can expect as an applicant is about 18 months, about 1.5 years. The green card fees are about $12,500. Now, with us, that includes the immigration attorney fee, and the filing fees, including premium processing. We have an installment plan where you pay over the course of about 12 to 18 months. So if you're interested in seeing the jobs we have, just come over here and click the jobs list, and it will take you to the current jobs that we have, a little description of where they are, what the job duties are. The job title is in the header, the salary offered, the recruitment dates, and then if you're interested in applying, just fill out the questionnaire, have your resume ready, because you'll want to upload your resume with your headshot. Make sure you answer all the questions truthfully, and that will take you to a page with the fees and the breakdown, and you'll be able to request an applicant agreement after that. So I hope this helps. Leave a comment below if you have any questions, and I'll try to put out some more videos going through the process and talking about some of the specific current jobs that we have. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. If this was helpful, please like it, and we will talk to you soon. Thanks.